16%. 4.40 ADR. 6.7 billion market cap. 4 mil daily volume. ADV 130. Seems pretty strong right now. Seems really strong right now, actually. Let's break it down a little more. High volume. Pulled back to the 10. Breakout day. Probably tomorrow, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, let's flag it. Let's flag it. Are you fucking kidding me? Not to keep that. Get Carvana out of there. Keep that. Get Afram out of there. Get Roku out of there. Get Sig out of there. Let me clean this up a little. SMCI, I just want to see what's going on with that. Meta, don't need that really. LES. Probably should have kept that. Alright. Alright, let's break these down real quick. Alright. 2.51 ADR. So 2.5 ADR. Not bad. Super strong. 19 recently. Looks pretty strong. Good volume. Probably like a 3 mil daily volume. Yeah, 2.7. So it's being traded a good amount. All times are low. So it's pretty strong right now, I guess. Let's check the volume. Big moves, all volume here, condense, and then here's where we really want to draw our line. So there, and then really there. Yeah, so it does have like a nice kind of downtrend, but breakout might have been here. I'm not gonna lie. So breakout might have been there, but there's still a resistance point here. So you never know. So I'd probably put a stop like right here, to be honest. CRWD 3 ADR. Alright. 2 mil. What do these guys fucking do? Oh, they're just a holdings company. Income statement looks good. To stop breaches. Okay. Alright, so what? There's a cybersecurity company? Alright. Nice. Lucid. Huge ADR, probably because it was trading so much today. Oh my gosh, it's being traded all the time. Holy fuck. This is a huge ADR. Oh my gosh. Look at the volume on this thing. Jeez. So I guess it's been picking up recently a lot. Alright, well. Huge move here, 27%. Pulled back, and breakout day was today. But I feel like I could keep pushing, honestly. I don't know why. So we have that flagged. Huge ADR. That plays a big part. Why I think it could keep pushing a lot. I think it could keep. I think it can keep pushing like a lot. Like maybe like up here, honestly. This is a pretty good setup. Definitely like one of the longer setups though. I don't really know if it's that appealing, but it's really just going sideways. Like there's nothing special about it. Besides it's making like a bull flag. Besides that, it really makes a perfect bull flag if you look at it like that. It looks really nice. But yeah, nothing. It's ADR 6.40, 3.47 million volume, 2 billion market cap. Clearly in a stage 2 uptrend. I mean, I think, right? Seems to not be breaking 10 SMA. So it looks relatively strong. Yeah, it doesn't go below it on the penny. Alright. What do these guys do? Oh, they're biotech. Everyone shits on biotechs. They're not that bad, honestly. They're not that bad. If you're a good trader, you know how to trade biotechs. They're not bad. They're all correlated, dude. They're not bad at all. This one, I just charted this one, didn't I? Sentinel? Wait, this is not it. This is Sentinel. These are like a lot similar setups, actually. Well, they're both in the same sector, so they're probably moving a little. This is probably one of the nicer setups up here. So they're probably moving a little bit the same, but I'm not even, like, let's scratch off here. I know I shouldn't be. I'm really looking towards here. It seems to not be, like, breaking this point, right? But that's not even what I'm really looking at. I'm looking at this part right here. Nice volume. 3 and 6, so a 10% gain in 2 days. Pulls back down to the 10. Volume condenses, or candles condense, still condensing. So it looks pretty good in my opinion. And then Sentinel, we went over this. I went over this already. There has to be more, right? What's this IoT? What's been going on with IoT? Posted it on my story a while, like a few days ago. We hit 3%. So it's not moving nice though, honestly. I don't really like it. I think it's slowly just going to shit. Yeah, it's a pretty. Oh yeah, that's a pretty steady downtrend. Oh jeez, bro, that is a really steady downtrend. Get rid of this. Yeah, it's like on the line every time. Alright, well. What else? TGI. Did I call this in my story? I don't know. It's pretty nice. I mean, yeah, breakout already happened. I think. Now it's just going up from there. Biohaven. I was looking at this. Posted this on my story and it did break out. It had a nice breakout. I forgot about this. This was really nice. Yeah, bro. All my calls, they either hit or they're just really late. And if they don't hit, you get stopped out like right here. Like nothing is gonna happen because all of them are just going up. Like you're not really losing anything, you know? I completely forgot about this call. This is really good. I gotta start posting on my Twitter, dude. Even though I got like no followers. 5%. That's pretty nice. Yeah, so that I already set up. Wait, hold on. Nah, not enough pullback for me, honestly. Like, I'm saying not enough pullback, but then I like this. I don't know why. I know it's weird. It's whatever, though. Condense. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I think this one looks really good. Sentinel. This one's really nice. Like, what can possibly be wrong with it? I don't really think anything, in my opinion. Am I able to make another screen? Oh, what is this full screen mode? How the fuck do I get out of this? Hello? How do I get out of that, bro? Just click exit. Oh, there we go. Alright. I feel like there has to be some more now. Like just a few good setups. We found a good amount already. I'm not annoyed at all. Core holdings. No, we just looked at this. DYN. How's this looking? We hit a crazy gain on this, bro. This was definitely one of my bigger calls. 18%. That was sick. Yeah, that was awesome. We hit 5% initially. And then the next day it was 18. That's pretty. I'm telling you, guys, biotechs are not bad. Like, if you're in good market conditions, they're not bad. Like, where do you see gap downs here? Like, really? Like, sure, you spot a few times. Like, right there, yeah, sure, like right there. But then you also see this big move, 15%. Like, they're just over leveraged, bro. They're not against you. They're just, if anything, they're giving you an edge. You just have to play it smart because, like, this strategy, like, you could play it super smart. Like, your profit could be all this, and your stop could just be like here. So you wouldn't even be like there. You wouldn't even be like losing that much. Matter of fact, this was actually a really nice setup. What the fuck? This was like some head and shoulders shit, actually, bro. That's pretty funny. Yeah, some head and shoulders action. Shoulders, head and shoulders. Yeah, it's alright. But yeah, this was definitely one of my really good calls. Probably one of my highest percent gainers. 18. Yeah, I don't know if I hit a higher percent than that. My boy actually told me about minimum, and he called it on the penny, bro. He was like a genius with it. It was fucking weird. He called it, like, who trades this? This is no volume whatsoever. How do you know about this? But look at the volume. 20K here, 30K here, a million here. What is this? Anyway, yeah, 67 million here. So I guess volume can be starting to pick up, but he calls it right here on the penny, bro. He's like, yeah, boys. I'm like, why are you? I'm like, why? What's so interesting about this? My bad. I had to drink some water. I was like, what's so interesting about this? I don't know. I don't remember what he said, but bro, next day goes up 60%. Biggest FOMO I think I've ever felt in trading, bro. Next day 20, next day 30, bro. It's like 100% gain. What the fuck? Like, what is this kid on? But yeah, that's sick, bro. Calling out shit like that's awesome. But here's like a fail today. If anything, I'm hoping that this is just a pullback and then it starts and then it starts going sideways and then goes up again. So yeah, I called this out today, or I called this out like Thursday actually. I was like next week, hoping for a breakout. So hopefully this is just a pullback, goes sideways and breaks out. Let's get this. Yeah, these are all people cashing out probably 8%. Yeah. Let's measure these. Like, oh, this is pretty nice. I think Sentinel is probably the best setup in my opinion. Volume is super condensed, dude. Volume's really condensed. Yeah, 100%. That's small as fuck. Yeah. All right. I want to see some big plays on this tomorrow. Wait, let's spy it right now. The only thing is, bro, like right now, market conditions are so like weird, dude. Because I remember drawing this line. Is there a way to check when I drew this, bro? I remember drawing this line. I was just looking at charts and shit one night, and I was drawing this. I was like, yo, hold up. S&P is about to reach an all-time high, bro. I was like, SPY's about to... Wait, '07. Wait, I want to see what it was like in like... Oh, wait, what the fuck happened with that? Oh, this was the crash. Oh, fuck. That is crazy. Damn, must have been right here. I never really... Oh my gosh. I don't think I ever really looked at this on the chart. Oh my gosh, dude. What the fuck? It's crazy. Oh my gosh. That is a oh my gosh, that is a market crash. And then I guess in '09 really started to steadily go up. That was like a really good buy point there. For the boring S&P 500. But anyway, I was looking at it the other day. I was like, fuck, we're reaching all-time highs. Like there has to be some pullback. Like obviously the ride up is really good, but like for example, like it's hard to think because this was like it could be it looks like a really similar pattern. So like this is all-time highs, it goes down. This was all-time highs and then it goes down, but then it breaks here, so that's all-time high. So it's basically this is all-time highs, goes down, all-time highs, so it can keep going up. But bro, these are the times where you have to be skeptical. Like a market crash can low-key come like very soon because it's not just like bro, it's not just gonna keep going up. Like there's either gonna be large pullbacks or a crash. Like not even trying to like geek out, but it can happen, dude. It's not like it's not like what's the word I'm trying to think of? Like that's why like the market conditions have been bad like the past few days. Like every day it's either like pre-market like spies down like recently like right here. Like here was really good. This was a really good week for breakouts, and then here's when it started getting like fucking annoying. Because everyone thought like I thought I don't know what everyone else thought that like maybe it was gonna pull back down because it just broke all-time highs, and this was around Tesla earnings too, and like a lot of earnings. Um, then yeah, minus 1.63%, then kicked back up again. So yeah, I mean I'm a little worried, but like fuck it, like I think it's fine. if I'm calling this and like a huge ass crash happens, bro, call me like Michael Burry, dude. I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, yeah. I think the most risky play here is Lucid, just because it already hit a big play today. But let me just search this up quick. Sentinel technology. What do these guys do? What is this? What is this? Looks like a pretty nice website. Okay. Reduce risk. AI cybersecurity. AI cybersecurity. That's pretty neat. When did this IPO? No way it was that long ago because it's AI. Yeah, it's not that long ago. 21. This is the very beginning. Okay. That's pretty nice. I mean, clearly it fucking tanked a little, but IPO is what? $40, yeah. Then tanked. How do you like make your IPO price? I never really understood that. The fuck is going on with this? But yeah, this is a really nice setup right now. This was a nice setup, gapped up 5. So fuck. I just closed this out. Bro, how do I do it, dude? Alright. I think those are all the things today. So this is like all that's on my watch list. Sentinel, Pan W, CRWD, ARDX. Wait, how do you say that? ARDX? Lucid and Block. Alright. Hopefully Sentinel's a big gain. I'm kind of hoping that's going to be nice. But yeah, that's it. See you, boys.